A1893. I don't even know which one is it. This is A1893, which is iPad 6th generation. Okay, I got it from another store and they said the touch is not working. I got it as it is. They sent me with this one here with open screen. The phone iPad is on. Mixing screws. I think the screws are attached onto another side of the screen. I never done this one before, like with this issue. I have replaced like thousands of screens, not thousands, like hundreds of screens, and I have done like so many other problems with this one, like changing the battery, the charging IC, this and that, even the iClouds, but touch doesn't work. That's first time. They said they already tried with the unit digitizer, as we can see over here. After that, they had no idea, and they didn't tell me what it was, like how did it happen. Maybe they accidentally did something to it, or it was just like this after dropping or something. So we're going to figure this one out. Okay, so I'm just adjusting the camera, the view, so what I'm seeing, you can see this angle over here, and this is the thing where we attach. Okay, the touch attach over here. So the first thing we're going to see if any damage on the connector, which is not. Another thing we can see over here is balls are coming out. It means somebody tried to heat up this side over here somewhere. See all these balls. And I want to take off this one as well and see what's going on. Okay, so we have tested everything, all the measurement for this one is all right. So what's the next process now is, I know this one is with bent, so let's fix this thing and see if it works with that. Okay, so before we moving on to the touch IC, based on the previous experience, especially on the iPhone 6s Plus, there is no image, no touch, nothing at all. Even the reading on these connectors on the iPhone 6s Plus we're talking about, even the reading is correct. Still there is no touch, no screen. It requires a new FPC connector. So we're going to do similar sort of thing on this one and see how we go. So what we're going to do now is resolder these ones. and after that we're gonna test it. Okay, so I tried everything. I tried with the new touch as well and see if it works. Didn't work. So what we're going to do now is replace the connector, the big one we're gonna start with. I really don't think so the problem is with the touch IC. I just feel like it's not. So before we go ahead with that one, so we just better to work on this right here. Let's go to the scope. So it's better to cover this part. We're not gonna touch this part at the moment. We're only gonna work on this section over here. Okay. So here we go. So it was just a connector issue. So first we figured out there was a short circuit for sure. We fixed that short circuit. After that we resoldered the connector. It didn't work, so we replaced the connector, just the top one. It worked. So I was right, it wasn't the touch IC. So sometimes the past experience like this used to be very common in the 6S Plus, where the touch doesn't work or there's no image, even though reading on the connector they are absolutely fine. And we tried, like at that time we're talking about 2-3 years ago, replace the touch IC, this blah blah blah, and figure out it was only the connector. So same thing you can apply on the newer devices as well. So anyway, it's all good. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.